udkhot jangga regional committee uba amiral bons im ula bancur ba kempat long satia ke bakloi ban IT wat tang shi and shi gejaka syakijela ba marjan wat la ka longru da kabor habakren syakilat patai kubor syapang ka Bynta ka baar jang kejia kren kaput ka bom syam la long satia la palat chis na menta uba sim ula ong ba kijing sngokia jingmut chibun halor kijingya kachia kiba chujia man la kapor haki kaput bat bakadei ka kamram jang ka sarkar ban penne ya kasukasan hapo gajela da ka ba pensyai ru ba enam la ban penbet pura ya kanu gajingya kan ad uba sim ula kedau ba ka komiti kan sa Pyrshang Katba ban Pynthikna baga Jingmih Baroh kandai na ka Bynta ka baha kamiat jangkit.
This is a sensitive matter. It relates with the land. Everybody, we are concerned about the land. We are not ready to give up even an inch of our land. So this is a sensitive issue. Untoward incident happening in the border area. But the government, the district administration they has been instructed to be very vigilant on this. They have to be very proactive, and I hope that the district administration with the government will look into that no untoward incident will happen, and we are in the process to resolve this issue. I'm not saying that it will be resolved 100%.